Dear friends, I take this opportunity on the World Sight Day to talk to you and to make you aware of the prevalence of blindness in India. The World Sight Day is observed on second Thursday of every October every year, and this is to make the general public aware of the problems that we are facing in India. Practically, 1 in 3 blinds is an Indian, and you'll be surprised to know that most of these blinds are curable. So, what are the main causes of blindness? The main cause still is cataract in India, the untreated cataract, followed by glaucoma or kala motia, refractive errors, and the retina problems, the most prevalent of which now is age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy, or the disease of retina caused by the diabetes. And the incidence of diabetes is on an increase in India, as we all know. So what can we do? So let's take cataract for instance. What is cataract? Cataract is cloudiness of the normal lens which is present in the eye, and this lens is used to focus the vision onto your retina. So in order to get a good vision, we should have a clear lens and a healthy retina. So with age, or because of many other reasons, a few diseases also, the lens becomes cloudy. So instead of focusing the rays onto the retina, it starts blocking the light. It needs a change. So we have to implant a new lens. So many years back, when lenses were not available, we used to do surgeries in camps. We used to take out the cloudy lens and replace it by giving you the thick glasses. Thick glasses used to serve the purpose, but were not able to give you the fine vision. So ever since the intraocular lenses have come into existence, the scenario has changed entirely. Now it is possible to regain the full vision and to go to your normal work within a span of 1 to 2 days. The advancement has become so much that the new machines, which are called phacoemulsification machines, they can crush your cataract or turn them into a powder which is sucked out of the eye with a very small incision of say around 1.5 millimeters, and through this incision only a foldable lens can go inside and gets implanted, and from the very next day you can go back to your normal working. This technique has advanced so much now that we are even using cataracts. The lasers, I am sorry, it's called the femtosecond laser or the bladeless cataract surgery, which is now available in most part of India. Here, instead of using the sharp instruments like blades and forceps and emulsifying or making powder of the lens with ultrasonic powder, so with ultrasonic energy, sorry. So in place of that, we take the help of femtosecond laser, which performs all these tasks. It gives incisions, it makes opening in the capsule of the cataract, it emulsifies the cataract and makes these steps very easy for the surgeon and gives very good result to the patient. So the idea is to make these facilities available throughout India and at an affordable cost, which is gradually happening. Other cause which is of concern nowadays is diabetic retinopathy. The diabetic retinopathy somehow is related to the duration of diabetes that a patient has. A better control of diabetes can delay the onset of retinopathy and even can prevent it. So the idea is that if you have diabetes, you must go for regular checkups, because initially this disease can be controlled and cured. But if it goes to an advanced stage, it is very difficult to recover the vision again. So be aware about this. Diabetes, because diabetes is spreading, hence diabetic retinopathy is also spreading. The simple way to prevent is a regular checkup. The third most common cause is kala motia, glaucoma. Glaucoma is called kala motia because it does not give rise to major symptoms. Many a times you are not even aware that the glaucoma is there in your eyes. Again, it can be detected only on a routine examination. So after the age of 35 years, what I recommend is that one must go for a complete eye examination, a routine examination, so that all these diseases can be examined and can be caught at an earlier stage if at all they exist in your eye, and can be treated well. Thank you.